The second book for Block of the Day of 2023 is now ready. This covers April through June, the second quarter. The first quarter was January through March. Your book will not have this stripe on here. This is a proof copy, so this won't be here. The book covers will have different covers, so you can look at the cover you have if you already have one and make sure you don't order the same one. So this is a different cover picture than the first one. This one has instructions and video tutorials for 91 quilt blocks and instructions for over 17 quilts. It's a little bit longer than the first one. So for each month, at the beginning of the month, it has a picture of every block and it tells you what page it's on. And you can scan this code to go to my YouTube channel. And then each one will have the instructions, and if there's a quilt involved, it'll be instructions for that as well. And each one will have this code you can scan to take you to the video for this block. And this one is on 2 pages, and if it takes 2 pages, it will always start on the left-hand side and end on the right-hand side, so you don't have to flip back and forth on pages. And then something different this time, in order to keep these pages, you see this is page 1 and this is page 2, so you have them open at the same time. And I don't see it. Okay, so this one, in order to get the pages back in order, I have just a fun fact here. And this one is, how many cuts can you get from one width of fabric? And if you make your cut 1.5 inches, you can get 28 cuts. And it just goes down all the way from 1.5 inches to 19 inches. So just a fun little chart for information. And there's, I think, 3 or 4 of them in the book. And here's another one that's 2 pages. So it's ready on Amazon now. It might take a few days to go from Amazon.com to the other ones, like if there's other countries involved. It may take a week or 2 or 3 days to flow through that, but it should be on there now, for at least for Amazon.com. There's a link to purchase the book in the description below the video. So thank you for watching, and thank you for purchasing the book. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.